How to add about section on your Etsy. Now if you want to add about section to describe or explain your shop on Etsy, you can add it by going into your Etsy shop, and after that you are gonna see gear icon in the shop section of your Etsy, and if you tap to that gear icon you are gonna see the option of about your shop. Tap to that option of about your shop, and in there you can very easily write the about section about your Etsy shop in there. After opening about your shop page, you will see a pencil icon. Tap into that pencil icon and you can set it from there. If you cannot see that option, it is probably because you are using your main account profile rather than your shop profile. In order to get these options, you need to go into your Etsy shop profile. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.